Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So a bit of Saturday night defence action tonight. So I'll go through my preferred ETF and go through some of our Aussie defence stocks. One of them has a deadly shooting star chart pattern. Alright, so this is the ETF DTEC. So if you're going to buy it, you need to buy it now. That's when we first put it out. So just going through the stocks in DTEC. So you got Big Brother, Palantir. They're going to know everything you do when you blow your nose, everything. It's quite scary actually. That's right, it's consolidating above the trend line. Looking fine. Raytheon, Defence Solutions, obviously they're all in this space, so off to new highs. Rhine Metal, military systems, so there's your declining wedge break and taking out highs. Lockheed Martin, we've all heard about them, so they've broken out of their little squeezy wedge here, so that's up, but sometimes they come back and retest, but it looks like it's going to take out those highs, so it looks pretty good. Bay Systems, fighter jet, so they're taking out highs, so that's fine. General Dynamics, okay, so they've taken out their highs, nice big green getaway candle. Tails, so Optronics and Defence Systems, okay, so they've broken out of the wedge. So there's we're going to have a look at one of these shooting stars. There's your wedge shooting, came back, retest, go. So that's all good. Hanwha Aerospace. You can see all these, they've been squeezing into a wedge thing. So it's quite powerful. And off to new highs, that's fine. Break of a shooting star is bullish if it's broken. Leidos, Defence and Intelligence Technology Solutions, so they've been hovering around support. I reckon I'll give that a go. Nice green candle this week. Obviously Trump telling everyone to spend 5% of the government's money on defence. They've got to put it somewhere, so it's probably going to go into these things. Northman Grumman. Okay, so it's a long consolidation and it looks like it's going to go now. Alright, so they're all the ones in that DTEC ETF. Now to look at our local boys. So we got Drone Shield. So there's when Drone Shield had a shooting star before. That was a sell. Then we came down to the little wedge and we had a buy. And big volume this week, so I wouldn't buy it, it's too late. It was down here, it was the opportunity. And we got L-Site, so it's another one of ours. Okay, there's that declining wedge break, so we had a buy back here on the Rooster sponsored channel. So I wouldn't chase. So you got to buy these things when they're down here. Another big. So if you're holding it, hold it. Nice volume. Okay, so here's our shooting star. EOS. I've never had an entry point for this one. I missed it. Anyway, that's a bearish candle there. So if you're holding it. 8:30. You don't want to see it closing below 8:20, 8:30. Anyway. Then we got Austal. So they're our shipbuilders. So it's a rising, expanding wedge. So that's very bullish. It's come back, found some support. didn't want to come back here. There's a little bit of a shooting star there, which is bullish if it breaks. You can see here we've got a lot of volume, so someone emptied the trash back here. That's alright, someone with a bit of volume came back in, so that looks good. Duratech, this one was actually given to me by a subscriber, so they're in the assessment, protection, remediation. Anyway, they've got a bit of defence work in there, so it's probably too late to chase it. There was a buy here, but a new one I've got here is this Triple T. It's an Aussie one on the ASX. So they do some cold spray technology for industrial scale metal additives. Anyway, it's in that defence metals space, and it's got a lovely lovely chart pattern going on there, breaking out to new highs. Alright, that's your defence wrap up. Let us know your thoughts, or if you've got any other ones, let us know. So yeah.